Hey guys, so today we're gonna be doing... That's the fairy one! Okay, that's the fairy one. Okay. I'll just try. Oh my god. How do you cover this one? I don't even care. I'm gonna hide and we're just gonna sit here and kind of wait until the alarm goes off. I'm scared. It went off. Okay, that means it's the coast is clear now. So guys, okay. Sorry, that was the ad on my phone. And by the way, it was just check. Come on. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go have dinner and bye.